Hi, I'm Jazz. A viewer prompted this video after they watched my micro camper heating with gas video. It made me think, why not heat and cook at the same time? If you're hungry, of course. With that in mind, I'm going to set up the gas stove with the heat canister. So first of all, I'll just try and see, so you can see the temperature, that's just gone 13. So, put canister in here. Butane and propane, that is. Just like that. There you go. I'm going to keep it pretty low, as you can see. How low can you go? Right, I'm going to go, oops, there for now. Right, this is the easiest way to do this. Probably seen me do it once before. Probably see me do it several times again. Right, I'll just adjust this slightly for you. Bring it back a bit, I think. Right, so that's adjusted so you can see it clearly. So obviously we got the cooker, we got the heating canister, and now, as well as heating, I'm going to try and cook. And with blazing saddles in mind, it's going to be some Heinz beans. So we shall see how long it takes to cook. I might turn it up just a little bit. Oh. Right, so there you go. So right. Right, so that's cooking away. Hopefully just adjust you slightly. So yeah, I'm going to time it, but I'm going to cut this and move on a bit rather than have you just waiting there having me babble on. Yeah, so I'll see what I can do. So this is obviously a super basic setup in a, so we'll see what we can do with this. I'm presuming you're in a tight spot, it's hobo style, so hence that's all you've got. You haven't got a pan, you've just got a tin, and what else is better than a tin of beans? So yeah, super basic, tight spot, forgotten pots and pans. So we shall see if this works, and obviously see if the temperature rises as well, because that's the idea of this, heat and cooking. And yep, I shall you can see that glowing nice and red there. So that's been 15 minutes. After 10 minutes the heat in here went from 12 degrees Celsius up to 22, and then after 15 minutes it's gone from 12 up to 30. Hopefully you can see that. This is pretty hot in here, and success, the beans are cooked. Yeah, they're definitely cooked. So obviously the surface area of this isn't particularly wide, so a certain amount of that heat's getting to it and cooking it, that's fine. I think if you were to use something like a kettle here, let me have a look. A kettle, you've got the whole bottom of that surface area which would go on there, so I think it would probably boil that pretty quickly. It will mean it will be up. If I did do that, I probably won't, but it's going to be quite high, about 8 inches from the top of the roof, which isn't a good look. Just in case you were worrying, I have got a fire blanket, I've got a fire extinguisher, I've got CO2 smoke alarm, and I've got 2 windows cracked open. And even with that, we are now up to 32 degrees. So the question, can you heat and cook at the same time? That's a definite yes. So it's, you know, it was just a question and someone prompted me to do this little experiment. So there you go. Hopefully, as you can see, that worked. If you liked it, give it a fingers up and subscribe. Thank you very much. Goodbye. So just in case, there's a last action shot. Union Jack plate with some steaming beans. Goodbye.